Alright guys, new battery. Let's try a new section. We went from that tree to that tree, second tree over here. And now we're going to kind of go towards that other one. But I heard something over here. It's a 90. Sounds like it's right on the top here too. It's like right there. Right there. Alright, let's see what it is. Probably a quarter. What do you think here? Missed it. Oh, it's right there. There it is. Another quarter. That's like the third quarter today. I'll take it. There's a lot of people come here and cherry pick. I try not to. I try to dig all good numbers. But if it's really trashy, then I don't. Sometimes I'll pick higher. That was an easy quarter. That's like a top signal right there. Probably a penny. Penny. Yep, there it is. That's a fresh one too. I'm gonna put that in here. Get in there. This is really mineralized ground over here too. Okay. We got a quarter and a penny. Let's see what else we got. See how far I can make it here. Let's try this one here. Right there. 23. It's like a jumpy. It's also on the surface. So let's see what we got here. Right here. That's a jumpy number. I think it'd be on the surface. It's really sandy over here. It's right here. More on this side. Alright, where'd it go? I know this battery's getting low on this pen pointer. Wow. I don't know. Oh, it's driving me nuts. It's right here on the sidewall. Piece of foil. Oh, it's a big piece. No wonder it was wreaking havoc. Alright, take the good with the bad. Let's put some of the sand back in here. See if I can put this back together. Alright, Humpty Dumpty. That was down there. Almost good as new. Alright. Let's continue. See if we can find some good stuff. I think we got 4 or 5 dimes, 3 quarters, a bunch of pennies. Kind of like the how soft the ground is over here. Let's get in the shade. Let's go back over this stuff some more. I don't know, it's kind of a weird. It's on the surface. Let's see what it is. Gotta dig with the good with the bad. Should be right on top. It's on this side. It's right there. Alright. Oop, some foil. Oh, that's a big old chunk of foil. Looks like a can, actually. It's can slaw. Anybody here like coleslaw? Ugh. I can't stand the mayonnaise. I was never a mayonnaise person. Makes me gag. Unless you mix it with other stuff. I know people put it in their pies and stuff. I could probably handle it that way. But no mayonnaise on my sandwiches. Been like that since I was a little kid. Oh, there's another good high tone there. Multiple. Sounds like multiple noises here, huh? Let's see. Let's get the big one first. Right here. That's on the. Looks like another quarter. Wish it was some silver quarters. That'd be a little higher number, though, wouldn't it? It would be much higher. Alright, I don't want to screw up whatever's on under here. Alright, we know it's a big, probably a quarter, and it's probably right here. Shake it all about. Shake, 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 shake. Can you tell I'm getting tired? Shake, 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 shake. Hey, look, it popped right out. That is a crusty quarter. Alright, it's been blipped on the side. That's a fourth quarter here. Oh, I'll take it. I'll take that quarter any day. I think that was it. I think there was another target over here somewhere. Probably a penny. There's a baby coin spill. What do you think? Baby coin spill? There's some roots over here too. What do you think? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your dirt clod. Shake your dirt clod. Hey, it's a penny. Cool. 26 cents in that pile there. Make sure it goes in the pocket here. Okay. Awesome. Let's see. Any more coins? I don't think so. I think that's it. That's it. Nope, that's it. Alright. Cool. We are down to 2 bars on the detector and the XTerra Pro. One of these, I was thinking about getting a smaller coil for it, but I think I'm just going to get another detector, like a backup and also as a loaner. Oh, there's another signal here. Oh, this is definitely a coin spill. We might have more over here. Turned into more than a mini coin spill. Alright. Right there. Alright. Mini coin spill. The biggest one I had was 9 coins. Shake it about. There it is. Copper penny. Put that in the treasure chest with the rest of my treasure. Enough for a taco and a half, maybe. Look at that. It's picking up my knife. Oh, that'll mess you up, huh? I thought there was maybe another one here, though. Maybe. Too much metal in the way. Huh? That might have been it. It was on pretty close to the surface. Alright, I think that was it. Alright. Trusty shovel to get up. Oh, knees are getting sore. It's going to be an Advil night. What? I only had, so it's like a quarter and two or three pennies there. Alright. I don't see the warden. I mean my wife. Nope, not here yet. I'll keep on going till she's gonna pick me up. There's a 1, man. That's a 1. Probably foil. What do you think? I think it's foil. I think it's foil. I think it's gonna be some foil. That's if I can find it. Here you go, foil. Wow. It's evasive. Right there. Alright. Too much metal around you. I know, you're freaking out. Oh, it is foil. And that reads. Oh, that is, I think that's foil. Or did I drop? Wait a minute, there was something attached to that. What? I thought that was the foil that was picking it up. Okay, I'm going a little nuts over here now. I'm getting, oh, there it is. It fell out. All right, what's this reading? 1. That is a low 1, man. Look at that. Wow. Well, it probably would help if I took my piece of hand that doesn't have a ring on it. 4. Wow, it's a low number. Alright, how low can you go? I can even get lower than that, but I think I'd freak you guys out. I might lose subscribers. Okay. Freddy Krueger low voice. Oh, there's a nice higher one there. I think it's about right there. What do you think? Let's see if I can do the twister here. The twister without moving. Alright. Come to me. Come to me, Dirk Lad. Uh-oh. That looks like some foil right there. I think I kind of hit it a little. No, it's not picking it up. Oh, maybe sound here. Say, that was a penny sound. Yeah, right there. That's a penny sound. Crusty penny. Hasn't been there very long though. Put it in the piggy bank. Alright. We'll check the hole again. Who says you don't burn calories when you're detecting? Yesterday I walked 2.5 miles, or the day before, 2.5 miles, and it says I burned 100 calories. I don't believe it. I think I burned more than that metal detecting. Oh, my better half is here. Alright. So I better wrap it up here. Maybe one more good coin. There's a sprinkler head. Big target. Sprinkler head. Pretty clean over here. It's 15 on the surface here. What is that? Is that a sprinkler head? Oh, yes it is. They hide them so good. 16 is the sprinkler head. Alright, we're wrapping it up for today. I'll be posting soon. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe. And if you like, give me a thumbs up over here. I appreciate it, so I can make more videos. And buy more gear so I can show that to you as well. Okay guys, this is what I found for today at the park. We just kind of went all over the place, mostly out in the field and behind the baseball area where nobody was around. I did find another Chuck E. Cheese. Woohoo! Do they still take those? Did find a vape cartridge. This is some garbage from another previous look, so probably about half of this is what I found today. We did find some quotas. I think we found four quarters today. Yeah, 4 of them. No silver, of course, but we did find quite a few dimes and really crusty pennies. These are all pennies here. Let's see, penny. Added to my collection, 2-pound collection. Pretty soon I'll have 3 pounds of pennies. We did find some dimes today. Dime, penny, a nickel. We did find 1 nickel. Those were slim pickings on the nickels today. Another dime, and another crusty penny, crusty. So did okay. $1.45, 55, maybe close to $1.60. So that's not too bad. I did use my shovel. I loved using the shovel today when I could get away with it, because it's so much easier, especially in the roots when you have trees and such. So anyway, I'll try to post this on the video I just did, so you'll get to see the end result. I'll splice it all together. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would like to buy another detector and do some more testing. So hopefully I get my way onto at least 100 subscribers. I'm shooting for 1,000 within this next 6 months, so I can be monetized. So that's the goal. So I can use that income to buy more stuff to review it with you guys and use it. Alright, and maybe we'll do some giveaways too. I would like to do that too. Alright, see you next time, guys. Take care.